Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing extremely well. So today in this video we are going to talk about multiple hiring opportunities for multiple batches. So make sure to watch the complete video. But before proceeding further to the video, if you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed our channel till now, then guys please make sure to subscribe. It will really motivate me to make more such content for you, and definitely the channel will be helpful for you. So do subscribe our channel. Let's talk about our first opportunity, that is from InfoEdge. So you can see InfoEdge is hiring for the role of software engineer. This is an off-campus opportunity for 2022 batch. Functional area will be engineering. Right, coming to the job description. So you will be expected to build complex business applications as a member of high energy teams provided with excellent mentorship. With excellent mentorship, you will be encouraged to build software independently and take them live from development to deployment on production environment. Apply SOA concepts to build microservices for highly scalable applications using MVC framework, OOPS concepts, data structure to build modular and loosely coupled applications component. Participate in the entire life cycle of the product, design, documentation, coding, testing, and deployment. Imbibe and maintain a strong customer service oriented attitude while designing and building products. Work and get exposure on various cutting edge technologies including Java, Spring, PHP, MySQL, NoSQL, MongoDB, Node.js, Memcached, Aerospike, and all. Desired candidate profile is, the required skills are, first of all, expert level knowledge of computer science fundamentals, that is data structure, algorithms, and complexity theory, expert level coder in any language, good working and knowledge and comfort with working on Linux, good understanding of how the internet works in general, good understanding of database concepts, branches to connect with IT, CS, EC, undergraduation, specialization, BE, BTech, PG qualification as well they have mentioned. Company profile also they have specified who are we, driven by innovation, creativity, and experience and talented leadership. Certain other points are mentioned here, so you can just go through them to get a proper understanding regarding the company, right? So let's talk about our next opportunity now. Here's our next opportunity, that is HCL virtual recruitment drive for graduate engineer training. That is the opportunity for 2021 passed out. Eligibility criteria is 2021 batch, 70% and above in 10th, 12th diploma and BTech BE. Designation is going to be graduate engineer trainee. Graduation BTech BE with esteemed CSE, IT, EC, EEE, software engineering only. Work location is going to be Chennai, Bangalore, and Noida. Job description is implementation of Six Sigma projects working on network device, Unix server, storage device, depending upon your respective domain, ensuring data center uptime according to SLS, implementing new technology and design changes, applying patches, upgrades to maintain security level, responsible for building and maintaining test environment, independent troubleshooting within SLE, manage customer escalations, identify venue for value adds and present value add summary, troubleshooting technical issues related to network, server, storage devices, update the knowledge base, technically upgrade across versions of environment when required, participation in monthly steering committee meetings as required, participate in monthly QA audits. So this is the form provided, you can just go through it and make sure to provide all your details and do check the details before submitting the form. Right, so this is the opportunity for 21 batch. Here's our next opportunity, that is from JP Morgan, right? So CIB Quantitative Research Quant Mentorship Program 2022. Event date they have specified 17th of February 2022. JP Morgan Quant Mentorship is a unique opportunity for you to build the skills required for a successful career in quantitative finance. The eligibility is, this program is for students completing their degree in 2024. The selection process for this program will have two stages. Stage 1 is online aptitude test that will be conducted on 23rd January 2022. Stage 2 will be case study challenge that will be conducted on 27 January to 6 February in between, right? This program includes one-to-one mentorship and career guidance, access to JP Morgan's online coursework, interaction with senior leaders at JP Morgan, opportunity to interview for an internship after pre-final year, right? Here's our next opportunity from Yahoo, that is for the role of associate software dev engineer. So let's have a look. So your day, develop, code and test software system or applications for software enhancements and new products, participate in agile development of project timelines, implementation of design specification, System flow diagrams, documentation, testing, and ongoing support of system. Grow in a culture of learning through design, discussion, and code reviews. Participate in change and release management activities. Educational qualifications, so actively pursuing final year bachelor's in engineering or MCA or similar disciplines. Desired skills are development, experience in Java, Python, and familiarity with Shell, Ruby, or Perl scripting language. Front-end experience in one or more of the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Node, JS framework. Exposure with distributed version control system like Git. Must be able to demonstrate skill in troubleshooting techniques and problem diagnosis and resolution. Utilize strong analytical and problem solving skills to diagnose, resolve system and application issues. Must have strong knowledge in data structure and algorithm, right? So this is the opportunity from Yahoo. Let's talk about our next opportunity now. So this is from NCR. So they are hiring for the role of IT analyst intern. About NCR, they have specified, right? So if you're interested in this opportunity, then make sure to apply for the same. So this opportunity is for 2022 batch. So I have covered all the opportunities that we have to discuss in this particular video. Hope you have found this video useful. If it is so, make sure to hit the like button, do subscribe our channel. Also do share this video among your friends as well, so that even they can know about these opportunities and they can apply for the same. Thank you so much.